Hello guys, good morning. I hope you are fine. Yeah, yes guys, today I decided to show you how we can start to work in the 3D Max. Yeah, this is actually, you can see here, 3D Max 2020. Okay, if you open the 3D Max for the first time, you will see this is the top view. This is the, you can see on front here. You see here, you see this is the front view, this is the perspective, and then this is the left view. That means we have four view, and you can select any of this view, because actually if you want to grow something, we will grow in one view, but you will also see on different type of view. Example, if I want to put one box like this, actually I am here. Let us put anything like this. Okay, this is one box. So you see this same box. If I want to see the top view, I will come here on this side, and then I will see the top view. This is the top view. If I want to see the front view, I come this side. This is the front view. If I want to see the left view, I come here. This is the left view. So for this same object I just grow, I can see different view. That is how 3D Max coming from. So now, example, can you imagine that I want to work in this view, this is perspective view, and then if I cannot see very well, let us say that it's small. So how can I do? You have to come and here. You see here, see this one, you come this corner, you double click here. You see he become now big one. I can see really big one, and then I can work very easily. So if I want to go back, I just come here, and then I can select another part. Okay, so that is how we can manage with the 3D Max, guys. Okay, from the beginner, what you can do, if you are new on the 3D Max, let me just delete this one. If you are new, okay, you will see something appear like that, but you have to learn all of these things. What does it mean? If you see example here, this is a different tool we have here. You have to check and understand what does that mean, this one. Actually, if you don't understand anything, you can just put this arrow here. You will see this one appear. He say what he say. He say geometric. If you want to make any geometric, you come here, and then this one will come. If you need the box, you need a sphere, you need a cylinder, you need a torus, you need a T-bar, whatever you want. If you need a plan, you need a curve, you just come here. You see, if you come here, if you need the shape, this is another type. If you want to draw only maybe line, only circle, only right text, no ellipse, making rectangle, ellipse, star, anything you have to do. Example here, if I take line, you see on the top view, let's see, this is the line, this is the line. You see guys, I can close here, see to close. So if I want to draw the line, this is the line. So if I want circle, I take here, I choose circle, I come here, and then I can make any circle. This is a circle, you see. So if I want circle, if I want a rectangle, I just choose rectangle. Let me come here, I take here, you can see very well. This is a rectangle. You see guys, this is how you can draw easily and fast in the 3D Max. If I want to make a text, I click here. Just when you select, you come here. Now it depends also of if you have, you see this is the text. I can write it, I can paste here, and then I double click to change, to write whatever I want to write. Okay, this is how you can make a, if you want to change. So the basically what you need to know is come to the menu and checking all these icon. What does that mean? See, if I need light, I come here. This is the light. You see, if I need the free light, I can come from here. Sound position, I can come here from here. You know, if I want camera, I come here. This is a physical camera, free camera, and target. So we have this one. If you need to know first this thing, if you want to know how to work in Kidima, if you need the point, if I need the arrow, is here. So you see, this is how, because if you learn how to learn how to work here in 3D Max, you have to know example what does that mean this thing. From the beginning, you need first time to take on all these things. You see, if you want to grow something like you see, if you know that I'm on front of something like water, you know, you can take like this. So guys, this is here is a system. So basically, to work in 3D Max, you have to understand what does that mean all this tool. Okay, now you first time have to study all this one, and then when you finalize to study this one, because this is like a base. If you don't know this one, you will know how you will grow T, you will grow balls, you will grow cylinder. You must have know this one, and then when you understand this one, okay, you come here also. This one you can start from here. What is this? What does that mean here? You see, when you here, if you want to see, to make a new project, you come on the file on your left hand here, on your right, and your right, you check here on the top here, you see new. If you want to put new file, you can make a new file. If you come down, you will see reset. If you come there, you see open. This will control plus zeros mean that you have to open another file you have already in the computer. If you want to go to open recently, you go down, you see open recently. If you want to view one image here, if you want to save, control S. If I want to save anything, I just come here like this and can save easily. You see, example here, I can go to my computer, or I can come here, select one, just so you choose one disk. Yeah, I can come here, I choose one disk, I go inside my one bag. Yeah, I can come here inside, I go to 3D Max 20. Okay, and then I put one name here. Let me say try 01. Okay, and just come here and save. This one, actually this one is a save in that file. So from the beginning, you come here, you can see whatever you want, and then you can save. If you want to import something, you can go from here, you import different things. If you want to export, you can export. That means after growing, you have to send to somewhere. Maybe you want to send to AutoCAD drawing, you come here, GWF, you can save from there. If you want to save something to send to the gaming site, you can come export on this site. So yeah. If you want to send to from here, you can send to other thing, or send to something else. This is a reference. This reference, and down is a project, summary, information. So you want to, and if you come more down here, you see preference. Preference means that maybe you are growing to, what is your preference? Some people, they like to grow to in centimeter, some people want to millimeter, some people want to whatever you want. You say, if you come here, you see you have to, this is if you open direct here, preference setting, this is computer coming with some already preference setting. Now if you want to add something on the setting company, if you want to add anything about the original setting, you can come from here. Example, like we have the precision for the decimal is 3 centimeter. We can say 3, but you can select here if you want to change, put 4 or 5. But as per this program is coming with a 3. Okay, some people can say that, okay, I will put 1 here. Now you can come also here, this is a general, you can go there to 5. You can check also, you have see how you feel. Even viewport, you can see how if you appear, what happened there. You can configure it here from here. So that is how you can see, you can change all the configuration you want. So if you want to change anything, maybe there is something wrong when you're using, you can come here and then you can change, and then you click OK. If you want to put in the centimeter, you can come also direct here. You come to unit setting, because some people, they are growing, they don't know. You can put to millimeter, you can put kilometer, you can put centimeter. Anyway, you choose whatever you want here, and then you click to OK. So guys, this is only one small video to show you how to learn about 3D Max. 3D Max is very important to understand from the beginning. What does that mean, all these things? Example, if this arrow here show me that I have to turn back what I've just doing. Example here, you see, I go back here, I go back here, I go back. If I want to go up, I bring back, you see. So this one, up to, you can use this icon rotor to go forward or go back. Yeah, it's very important for us to understand all these tools before starting to work here. Otherwise, when you will start, you don't know where I can save, where I can go back, where is the shortcut, all these things, all these different tools. How is the view, to manage the view? You must know all this one from here. So how to keep my camera and all these things, how to do animation, how to do rendering. You see example here, this is a rendering. If you want to rendering something, you come down here, you can just select and make a rendering. This is a civil view, this is a customize. If you want to customize like unit or preference, something like that, you just come here. So guys, here if you have something you don't understand, you can come to help. Yeah, I will say also that you must understand that it depends also of the type of machine you have. They have some people, they have some machine very fast. Some people, they have i7, some people have i5. So if you have good RAM, good computer, it will be very fast to you, especially when you want to make a big project. Okay, so guys, this is just moving from this here. This one, when you select the example one, let me say I make one box here. I select box. This is the one box. If I want to put the one box here, okay, you see this box I just made, he appear here. I can see close or I can open. This means I can make him visible or no visible. This is the same for all this one. That's why when this is like a book, the book who writing all these different operation I did it. Now when I put anything here, he appear here. So if this one is my frozen, and then if I want to hide something, I can hide it, I can bring back. So if I can make it visible, I can make it invisible, you know. So that is, this tool is the one to show, because sometimes you want to make a room and then you already make all four walls, and then you want to make a drawing for one table inside the room. So what you will do, you can put the word invisible, and then it's easy for you to draw the table inside the room. Okay, so that is the meaning of this page. You see this all this polygon, you select, you will come here, you will customize. So whatever you are doing, he appear here, and then you this is one of a book of whatever you are doing, whatever project you are doing here. Okay, so guys, this is a short video just to show you how to work in the 3D Max. So this is from the beginning. Let's see when and for the next time, for you, those who of you will follow it, I will show you exact the next time how to use direct this example, this align tool, how to align tool, how to crack something. This is one if you want to crack something and put in the one point, special point you want, you can activate this one. This is the thing, you can put this rectangle for this one is percentage. So here, if you want to mirror something, you want to align something, yeah guys, so that all these different elements, all this toolbar is very important to understand very well. You must understand all this one. This is the ruler example, ruler you mark 5 10 15 20. So this is first of all the base. If you want to understand the 3D Max, you have to know, you must know all these things, and you must be familiar with this one, because anytime you can I want to show you also, you see here they have 4 view. I can change this one here and put like a 3 view. If I want, I select like this, it will come here only 3 1 2 3. If I want to change, I just come back here. Okay, so here, from here you can get a different view also like you want. So guys, thanks to watching this video. If you have any question, just let me in the comment. See you later if God want. Thank you.
Cheers.
So thank you guys to follow this